Hi everyone, Inat Kessler here with the last card of the 12 cards of Christmas series. A new video tutorial for you. You have a link to all the measurements for all the cards in the description under the video. You can download it completely free and then print out to have all the measurements for all the cards. So today we're making a third fold card. This is our last card. It's really easy to make. We're going to bring the base and score it at 2 3/4. Just going to adjust my camera so you will be able to see. So we're going to score it at 2 3/4, and then we are going to turn it 90 degrees to the left and score again at 2 3/4. So far so good, really easy to do. So we have two score lines, and then we created a little square on the upper left corner. So now once we have that square on the left corner, we're going to measure 5.5 from the left corner, from the left edge, and then we're going to turn the paper 90 degrees and again mark or measure 5.5 from the left. And then we're just going to score a line between those 2 points that we measured and that we marked, and it's going to be a diagonal score line. Just align the 2 little marks that you made and score a line from one point to the other. Okay. So now let's fold. We're going to fold both straight score lines in a valley fold. In the diagonal line, we're going to fold in a mountain fold. And this will create the third fold in the corner. This is what's going to create the effect that we're looking for. So now we just pull in the 2 mountain folds, and then we have our square in the corner created, and this is the third fold. Isn't that cool? Just with a few folds you create a really pretty effect on a card. Just burnish all the folds really well so the card will work properly, and this is the effect that we were looking for. So all we need to do now is cover the card with all the cover papers. So I have this piece that goes in the middle or on the base of the card, and then I have a few pieces that go on the sides, on the folded sides. Now you will determine how many squares you want to cut, because maybe you want to cover the inside and the outside. So I want to start with covering the outside, and then I'm going to also cover the inside. So I'm playing with the colors, as you can see. You can alternate the colors, you can use pattern papers, whatever you want to embellish and design your card. So now it looks really pretty on the outside, but I want to add some squares on the inside as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut a few more and add. If you want to cover the triangles where the paper folds, you can see that you have 4 triangles, 2 on each side. If you want to cover those as well, just use the same size of square and simply cut it diagonally to have two triangles that you can cover. So I'm not going to do that, but you can go ahead and do that if you want to. Just going to add a few embellishments, a few stickers. Of course, that you can decide how you want to embellish your card at this point. Where to write your message. It's big enough to add maybe 2 photos on the inside as well if you want. So I really hope you like this tutorial and the entire 12 cards of Christmas series. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the little bell icon to be notified when I upload a new video. This way you won't miss anything and you'll be able to follow all the tutorials and make all the projects and never run out of any inspiration for the holidays, for crafts, for mini albums, for mixed media, for art journaling, for anything that you want. You can find it on my channel. And I'll be really happy to see you there. So this is a really cool card. I really hope you liked it and the series. Thank you very much for joining me, and I will see you next time.